Hello, and welcome to Morpholio Trace. Moving between hand drawing and precise models and documentation is central to any design workflow. Now you can seamlessly move drawing sets, models, and sketches between Morpholio Trace and Vectorworks. The setup is easy. Simply sign into your Vectorworks Cloud Services account in Trace and you're ready to go. Start in any Vectorworks product and then sketch in Morpholio Trace, or start in Trace and bring those ideas back into Vectorworks. Let's check it out. Sketching in Trace is completely natural, like you're thinking with a pencil and tracing paper. And the best part? The sketches you made here have a life beyond Trace. They are assets that can be leveraged in Vectorworks for the next phase of development. Tap Export and choose your format. You can export PDFs, image files, and vector DXFs. For print-ready PDFs and images, choose the best setting. For the ability to edit your line work, export it as a vector file. Then, if you select Save to Vectorworks, your file will be saved in a dedicated Morpholio Trace folder on your Vectorworks Cloud Services account. To bring your sketches into Vectorworks, click on the Import from Morpholio Trace command and choose the sketch you exported from Trace. Once your sketch is in the right place, start building off the vector line work created in Trace, or turn it into smart objects using your favorite tools. This helps you evolve your conceptual idea into a spatialized, detailed design. Sending your drawings from Vectorworks to Trace is just as easy and direct. Sheet layers and viewports are exported to Trace as PDFs. Or send your 3D model directly to Trace so you can sketch over infinite views. Select the Export to Morpholio Trace command and then choose exactly what to send from your files, sheets, and viewports list. The 3D Model tab is where you'll set the quality and visibility of objects to export as an OBJ file. A hidden bonus feature is that OBJs from Vectorworks will maintain all of your model's material textures. The file will be exported into the dedicated folder on Vectorworks Cloud Services and will automatically add a number if the file name already exists, so you'll never override previous work. While your files are syncing on the cloud, open Trace on your iPad to continue designing. Tap the plus button, tap the Vectorworks icon, and pick the drawing you exported from Vectorworks. You can also add them to an existing project. Whatever your workflow, you have scale-accurate assets ready for you to sketch, iterate, and move the design forward. Whatever your discipline, landscape, interiors, production, or architecture, ideas can move between Morpholio Trace and Vectorworks as one continuous workflow. This lets you capture ideas where they happen and carry them all the way through detailed drawings and models, ensuring every idea can be developed and delivered with precision. We're so excited about this new integration, so tag us when you share your work made with Trace and Vectorworks. And please like this video and subscribe to our channel to be the first to hear about new features. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other how-to videos.